Let's take a journey back in time to a book you've probably never heard of, but one that's packed with secrets. The Book of Jubilees. Imagine a text that rewrites the book of Genesis, adding its own twists, timelines, and even some wild angel drama. Yeah, you heard me right. Angels get front row seats in this story. So what is it? Written over 2,000 years ago, the Book of Jubilees retells the story of the world from Adam to Moses, but with a twist. It organizes everything into Jubilees. That's 49-year cycles. Why? Because it's obsessed with patterns, order, and finding meaning in the chaos. Think of it as the director's cut of Genesis, but with bonus scenes, fallen angels, secret laws, and family drama that would put any reality show to shame. Now here's what's wild. This book was super important for some ancient Jewish communities, even found among the Dead Sea Scrolls. But it never made the official Bible cut. Too mysterious? Too radical? We may never know for sure. But here's what I find fascinating. The Book of Jubilees isn't just an old story. It's a window into how people tried to make sense of their world, by retelling and remixing their own origin stories. Today we do the same with our own histories, our families, even our social media feeds. So next time you pick up an old story or hear a familiar tale, remember, there's always another version out there, waiting to be discovered. The Book of Jubilees proves that sometimes the secrets are hidden between the lines.